Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm just going to share with you a delivery I took for some extras that go in my packages. And here's some lays. I can already see I tend to include one of these with a mystery box, a £50 mystery box, or even a sleepover pack. So when I have them in stock I do include them. And here's a load of really fun smiley face stickers, and I include these sometimes in extra packs. Some colouring in pencils with different colours for you to change up yourself. And one of the things I do include with the £50 mystery boxes are these colouring in sheets. I just thought it would be a bit of fun. It's great to encourage creativity as far as I'm concerned. I'm an artist, so I love anything to do with painting, colouring, design. There's some really lovely designs in this selection, so sometimes I'll fold these up and include them in your £50 mystery box, just for a bit of fun. So what else have we got? We've got, oh, this is a little unicorn self-assembling kit, so you can make your own unicorn. Some unicorn little pinball games, and some touchable bubbles. I include these in extra sometimes as well. And oh, that's cute, a little trainer sneaker style eraser, in green as well. So they're really sweet. So I've got lots of lovely little extras in this box that I will use to include in my extra packs. Okay, so I do themed mystery boxes, and one of the options is fairy themed. So I thought I'd use this and create a fairy themed slime for you in this video. Okay, so I've started out by measuring 7 ounces of just plain cloud slime in this 7-ounce jar. So this cloud slime is lovely and soft and drizzly, and it just needs some colour. So first of all I'm going to scent it, and I've chosen this rainbow sherbet scent I got off eBay, and it's a really sweet scent, really lovely, quite magical. And I'm going to mix that in thoroughly. Okay, so this smells lovely, so I'm going to divide it into 3 and then colour each portion a different colour. So first up I'm going in with some neon pink, and I've add this, mix it in thoroughly. Oh, that's so pretty. Next I'm going in with some neon orange, and this will make a lovely sort of neon pastel-y colour, and I'm going to mix this in thoroughly. And that's another beautiful colour. And then the third, I'm going to use this gorgeous purple colour. So these are acrylic paints. I'm going to mix this in thoroughly, you guessed it. Okay, so I've put all 3 together now, and I'm going to sprinkle some of this nail art I got recently off eBay. This is a really pretty sort of neon pink shade. So I'm just going to gently sprinkle that on all sides as well, it doesn't matter if it's even or not, it just looks really, really magical and pretty. And then roll up all the excess, and next I'm going to twist it and make, well, a cloud twist. I just love how at this stage this slime looks like a giant marshmallow twist. Wow, oh, so nice. So for the last touch for this slime, I'm going to add some of these gorgeous little star-shaped sprinkles and roll this slime in it so that it catches on the sides and shows in the pot. Wow, so just look at that, it's flecked really nicely with the nail art and some of those little star glitters as well, and it's just nice that it shows on the outside of the slime in the jar. So all I need to do now is top it with more of that nail art glitter, and then I'll put a few more of those little star sprinkles on top, and this slime is done. So I think it's time to dive in. Well, I'm going to pop it back in its jar, and now I'm going to do some of that fairy magic I was talking about earlier. So I've got some of that plain white cloud slime I used earlier, and I'm just going to use this as a really nice topping. Pop a swirl on top. Get my magical fairy wand to the ready. Pop some more neon pink nail art glitter onto my topping. And add some of these lovely pastel star sprinkles. And add the fairy wand. Wow. Oh, it kind of looks like a fairy gown at this stage. So pretty. Well, I'm really happy with that slime, and it was super fun to make, and I loved doing 2 stages to a slime and finding a way to soup up a slime after you've mixed in all the colours in the first stage. So do comment below, let me know what you think, but that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!